What do you think about this reckless driver's actions? Drivers like that should have their licenses permanently revoked. A very horrible accident. Do you see what I see? Where is the car? This guy's dream of becoming a racing driver ended in a funny way, but what I care about is the police car leaving him alone. If you feel sleepy while driving on the highway, this is a lesson. Find a rest area and take a nap. Who was at fault? Comment 1 if you think it was the driver, and 2 if you thought it was the person who carelessly left the trash on the road. Both drivers were careless and did not pay attention, leading to an accident. However, I was surprised to see everyone rushing out to help like family. It was so touching. The driver lost control and rushed at deadly speed into an electric pole in front of the supermarket. The car somersaulted and knocked down the sign next to it. It was fortunate that this guy managed to avoid a head-on collision with a truck just in time. Otherwise, the worst would have happened. Railway tracks are a dangerous place. If you want to cross, make sure to observe carefully, or you might end up helpless like this driver. The truck, loaded with dirt, lost its brakes and sped uncontrollably downhill. The driver tried to steer the truck into the concrete barrier at the end of the road to avoid impacting anyone. Most people think the woman is completely wrong in this situation, so what about you? Oh my God! A head-on car accident occurred in Santa Catarina, Brazil. The black car lost control and crashed straight into the white car, causing the whole car to break. The driver was helplessly pulled away by the truck and realized that the truck's wheels were just behind the car door.